Hello, how are you? Welcome to our channel. I am your trainer, Parveen. If you are an English speaker and want to learn Hindi, then this channel is for you. In this channel we will teach you Hindi. In this video we will learn about mode of writing consonants plus vowels. Firstly, we will recap previous lecture. In the previous lecture we learnt that if vowels exist in the middle, then in Hindi typing it will be written into respective connective forms. If vowel comes on starting, then in Hindi typing it will be written as original forms. In this slide we will see how consonant K will produce sound with vowels and how will we write it. K, Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Ke, Kai, Ko, Ko, Kang, Kah. We have similar rule for other consonants. Let us see example of consonant K with vowel sounds. K, Kha, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Ke, Khe, Ko, Kho, Khang, Kha. Now we will discuss some important things. We will discuss is, am and are meanings in Hindi language. Meaning of is hai. Formation is ha plus a equal to hai. The meaning of am is hu. Formation is ha plus o plus n equal to hu. The meaning of are is hai. Formation is ha plus a plus n equal to hai. But keep in mind, both these written as n, but in pronunciation they sound aha. Like this word is pronounced as hai. In the next lecture we will discuss more interesting things of Hindi language. Please like, share and subscribe this video.